Good day. We will be examining the canine eye as it relates to foraging behavior. First, we should consider the physiologic influence of behavior. Canine visual systems are like that of humans, with some notable differences. The tapetum lucidum is a reflective layer behind the retina, partially responsible for night vision. You can see in the image below, this is the shiny layer often seen in dogs when they are occurred with light in the darkness. The figure to the right displays the tapetum lucidum, and also they have no fovea. Instead, dogs possess a visual streak, composed of 20% of the cones of that of humans. But what can we draw thus far? The old adage of dogs possessing color blindness can be rejected by the presence of cones. However, it is likely that the reduced presence of cones in the canine eye would have an influence on the foraging capabilities of dogs in different light conditions. Meet Ezra. Ezra is a coy dog, a viable hybrid of coyote and dog, or rather, a male coyote and a female German shepherd. Found stray in Flint, Michigan, Ezra represents a less domesticated class than other lab animals. In order to gather more insights surrounding the canine visual systems, I have conducted an experiment to quantify foraging behaviors under differential lighting conditions. This duck was separated into 10 pieces per trial, 5 trials per lighting condition. The conditions are as follows: red, blue, dark, and light. Each trial was recorded until end foraging was cued. The results from these contingencies are represented as seconds foraged per lighting condition. White light was our primary control, with darkness being an adverse control. Blue light did relative to darkness when red light was significantly different. It took the longest to forage under red lighting conditions. Comparing my results to the primary literature, I found that dogs possess dichromatic cones, medium and short length cones, capable of perceiving green and red as grayish-brown. In the figure below, you can see the difference, or the lack thereof, these long cones, and the incapability of distinguishing certain wavelengths. My conclusions were that abundant rods giving rise to low visual acuity are an adaptation for detecting movement in low light conditions, thus an evolutionary trade-off for detail. The mechanics of the canine eye are highly conserved, with structural modifications best suited for nocturnal foraging conditions.